bring them out, bring them out, bring them out, bring them out. It's hard to yell when the barrel's in your mouth. Bring them out, bring them out. 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 Bring them out, bring them out.
Hey everybody out there, so I am here, like I told you, I would be live in studio with the one and only Frank Martin. I am out here to cover some of his boxing that he has going on, Super Geek, because his fans know him across the world, continuously winning in the ring. You doing excited tonight? You doing okay tonight? Sorry about that.
I'm good, I'm ready to
But
go.
y'all got me nervous.
I just gotta, get in my zone, warm up, but for the most part, I'm ready to go.
Look, everybody's so excited. I've been super excited to come out. I know yesterday I had the pleasure of running into your trainer, which is so funny because me and your aunt Tasha was talking about him a couple of days ago, and I run into him now here with you, so that's super dope. I'm digging the outfit. Is that custom made for you?
Yeah, appreciate it. I like to look good when I fight. I fight better when I look good, so I appreciate it.
I heard that. Well, you look like you're ready to go in there and knock somebody's lights out. Hopefully you got a TKO. I know you've been on a winning streak, so that must feel really good. I briefly spoke with your mom and dad. They're so super proud of you. Such an amazing thing to have another young black man out here doing some good in the world, and you're doing good in the ring too. So super dope, super dope. Tell everybody out there where they can maybe stay up to date with you, and I know you're going to do some touring coming up across the globe, really, with boxing, but let them know where they can find you.
You guys can find me on Instagram at Frank Martin 2016, Facebook Frank Martin, and that's about YouTube, same thing, Frank Martin. So you guys can find me there.
And you guys will be able to find him only on New View TV. You've been tuned into Up Close, Unplugged, and Uncut. When your girl sounds to Shar'e, we're logging out.
It's the 2019 Midwest Boxing Showdown. Find out in this episode if Frank Martin will become 10-0. Get ready, because this showdown starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
White trimmed in gold, he weighed in at 139.8 pounds. Ladies and gentlemen, his impressive record, 9 victories without a loss, 6 wins by way of knockout. He was sponsored by Clear Eye View and Deliver In. Ladies and gentlemen, fighting in front of his hometown of Indianapolis, Indiana. Please welcome Frank Martin. 6 rounds. Let's with the rest of the fight.
Make sure you stay tuned because the fight will continue right after a small commercial break.
What are you looking at?
Films by Shar'e. Are you ready?
Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready?
Strike a pose, 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 pose. Say sorry.
Make sure you stay tuned because after commercial break, we will see if Frank Martin becomes 10-0, the undisputed champion of Indy. This episode is brought to you by Monkey Joe's. Party big, play great.
Of the second round, referee Russ Withers reaches the count of 10 for your winner by knockout victory, and still undefeated in the ring from Indianapolis, Indiana.
The crowd goes crazy as Frank Martin becomes undisputed once again, 10-0. Frank Martin proves once again that he not only works hard, but wins harder. Congratulations from all of us over at the New View TV family, Frank Martin, the 2019 Midwest Boxing Showdown champion.
If you catch me at the border, I got visas in my name. If you come around here, I'll make them all day. I get one down in a second if you wait. Sometimes I think sitting on trains. Every step I get to, I'm clocking that game. Everyone's a winner, we're making our fame. Bonafide hustler, making my name. Sometimes
Don't go anywhere because following this showcase, I sit down with the one and only Def Jam artist, Mark Battles.
Hey everybody, I know thank you so much. You know, it's your girl, Shar'e, and I am here live at 6601 Property Road to catch up with Frank Martin. But I also have the pleasure to run into this year's star celebrity, Mark Battles. What's up, my guy? You been alright? Nice. Cardi B and some other.
I'm excited about it. New album in October, tour in November. Y'all just stay tuned in. A lot of big things coming. I want y'all to keep supporting Shar'e too.
You've been tuned in to Up Close, Unplugged, and Uncut with your girl, Sounds of Shar'e. Join us and like our page on Facebook at New View TV. This episode was brought to you in part by Swag, Salvation with the Great God. These classic tees and tanks come in all sizes. Over at Swag, we don't discriminate. We have something for the ladies and something for the fellas. Now offering an extensive line of kids clothing. Be the next to get your swag on at 317-698-3708. Don't forget to stay up to date with all the newest episodes only on Up Close, Unplugged, and Uncut with your girl, Sounds of Shar'e. Get on over to Facebook and like our page at New View TV and see past episodes that you've missed. Do you have a show topic or an idea that you would like for me to come out and cover? Or would you like to be a part of the show? Email me at soundsofshare32@gmail.com. New View TV. It's a new day for a new view. It's your girl, Sounds of Shar'e. Make sure you download my music on iTunes, Spotify, Google Play Store, and more. Also, stay tuned to my Facebook page, Sounds of Shar'e.